Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add the flashlight in your photo to making flash in Oppo A16. To do this operation, go to the camera here and there choose which photo which you want to make it. And after that, click on the up corner here. No, we need to turn off our HDR, and there is option with the flashlight, so you can on it. Yep, auto, to make it in night and feel light with always making the light here. Yep, as you see, I am lighting my hand, so let's turn on instantly and let's make a photo. And as you see, it's been making with flashlight. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.